we are keto in the country. This is your channel if you are looking for a smart, healthy, whole food approach to keto. Today we are making a recipe that we've been meaning to make for months now.
Yeah, it's one of our keto basics.
Yes, we are making yogurt.
Nice keto, homemade, nutrition-y.
It's okay.
Nutrition-y yogurt. Basic keto recipes is super easy to make.
Yes.
It's nutritionally dense is what I meant to say the first time.
Right. And you can make it several ways. You can make it with just heavy cream if you'd like. You can make it with just coconut milk if you'd like. Or you can do half and half, which is what I did to start.
You can use almond milk. Can you use almond milk?
I'm sure you can. I haven't tried it or read a recipe about it, but I don't see why you couldn't. Now, if you're going to use coconut milk, it's not going to be as thick, so you're going to have to add some xanthan gum and also some beef gelatin. Surprising ingredient, but it's not gross. It tastes nothing like beef gelatin.
You can't even taste it. It firms it up a little bit.
So we're going to show you how to do it, and we'll be back to taste test for you. So basically you leave it in the refrigerator overnight. The longer that you leave it, the more thick it's going to become, and it's also going to have a tanginess that you might not expect if you're used to store-bought yogurt.
The first time I tasted it, it's not as tangy as I thought it was going to be. Actually, I think plain store-bought yogurt is tangier.
Really? See, I was probably trying to warn her so much because I didn't know what she was going to say.
I didn't know what to expect.
Right.
So it wasn't as bad as I expected.
Exactly. But it is tangy, but the nice thing about it to me is that once you get used to it, you feel good after eating it. It's not like...
And if you can't stand the tangy, you can cover it up with, you can add lemon extract, orange extract. Strawberry. You can add fruit, nuts, granola.
Yeah, you can, anything that you want. You can add cacao, you can add cacao nibs. I mean, exactly. You can do whatever you want with it. Almond would be delicious, I think. But Christy's going to taste it for us today. I'm intermittent fasting and my window has closed.
I'm not fasting. Okay.
She just has it with blueberries and it's really pretty.
It is a tiny bit tangy, but not as tangy as store-bought. If you're used to the Greek store-bought yogurt.
Right, that's true. See, I'm thinking of those Yoplait ones that are full of sugar, all of the ones that I used to love eating, but now I won't go near. And also, in my opinion, I think that you could use this homemade yogurt for a tzatziki sauce or salad dressings.
Perfect.
Right. So
or anytime you use sour cream, this would be perfect.
Absolutely. So this can be used for so many different things. I love the idea of having it for breakfast with our granola recipe. If you have not tried it yet, we will make sure to link it. And we really suggest that you try making this. It is so much fun. It's rewarding when you try it. So thank you for joining us today. And we hope to see you next time. Bye. If you are looking for a smart, healthy, whole food approach to keto.
It's really hard to say.
Yeah, I know.
Continue. So this is one of those keto recipes, that we what?
Oh, this is one of those basic.
Okay.
You got caught me off guard. I was like, I don't know. What do you mean what?
Okay. So this is one of our basic keto recipes. It's so easy. It's
the cat. I just didn't know what was happening.